Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Uncle's Vape Shop YouTube channel. We've got our very first video coming up and it's an unboxing and review of the brand new Vaporesso Luxe Q pod system. 1000 milliamp battery in this bad boy. I'm actually very keen to look at this pod system, especially since I love the X-Ross and yeah, no what no. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Uncle's Vape Shop YouTube channel. This is going to be our very first video, unboxing and review. We've got a brand new pod system. That is the brand new Vaporesso Luxe Q pod system. 1000 milliamp battery in this bad boy. Got a couple of new features, new technologies, and a couple of features that we have seen on other pod systems before. And some features that I do love to see on pod systems. Especially in 2021, like Type-C fast charging, top full port and whatnot. But let's get into the unboxing over there, eh? Okay guys, so for unboxing we've got the new Vaporesso Luxe Q pod system. As you can see, we've got the 1000 milliamp battery, some new SSS leak resistant technology, top full port, and a brand new design. In the box, in the packing list, in the box, we should get the Luxe Q battery, which is the device itself, a 0.8 mesh pod, a 1.2 ohm mesh pod, a Type-C charge cable, user manual, and your warranty card. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. So inside of the box we've got our paperwork, we've got our Luxe Q user manual, and we should also have our warranty card inside the box. Here we go, there's the warranty card. Let's just put those aside and let's get to the main attraction. So inside the box we do also have our spare 1.2 ohm coil, Type-C charge cable. The charge cable does seem of a good quality, and it's also a bit longer than our standard cables that we usually get. Nice texture braided cable, and it is Type-C charging with the Vaporesso branding on the Type-C portion as well. So let's get to the device. As you can see, it's got a nice brand new design, very nice texture on it as well, and we've also got a LED light indicator, which most probably will indicate battery life and power level. Let's just take that out there. Decent packaging from Vaporesso. The device does have a nice weight to it. I'm feeling, do we have our airflow on both sides? Seems like we do have our airflow on both sides of the device. And let's check the pod out. So that is press fitted, the pod. Got a 0.8 ohm pod in the device. That is a mesh pod. It is press fitted. No magnets in sight. And so that's the Vaporesso, the brand new Vaporesso Luxe Q. I actually do like this finish. When I saw it in the box, I didn't actually think I would like it, but it does look nice when you do see it in person. Nice bright red. And we do have a Type-C charge at the bottom on the back of the device. Depends which way you're looking at it. It's a top full port, so you're just going to click off the top cap and your full port should be right there. Little clear seal over there. So you're just going to push your nozzle from your juice bottle through there. And you're going to fill it up. Actually, we'll be filling it up with some Vape Lush Ice, 25 milligram. That's what I'll be using to test out the 0.8 ohm mesh. We'll see if we'll use a different liquid for the 1.2 ohm pod. Do bear with me, please, guys. This is my very first YouTube video, so we learn as we go, and we will get better. So yeah, before we head up top, let's just close that up. So yeah, Vape Lush Ice, Nic salts, 25 milligram. And yeah, now we can finally head up top and do a proper review, and I'll share my opinion on this beautiful device. So I've been using the Vaporesso Luxe Q for about 2 weeks now. That's this device over here. I've got a couple of good things to say about it, and I've got a couple of not so good things to say about it. Firstly, battery life is great. 2 days easy, and that's for a heavy, hardcore user, whatever you want to call yourself. 2 days easy. For your normal casual users, I could expect for about English, bro. You can expect about 3 to 4 days. In some cases, I wouldn't be surprised if you're getting 5 days battery life. This is a 1000 milliamp battery in this device, so there's no screen or anything, so it's still be expected. I wouldn't expect anything less, especially from Vaporesso, who have proven themselves to be very efficient in terms of battery life on the devices. Now, flavor wise, the device does give good flavor. It's not amazing flavor. It's not the best flavor nie. It's not the greatest flavor of all time, but it's good flavor. You won't be disappointed at all. But yeah, the combination of the new S leak-proof technology, the kind of depressed juice well, or the deep juice well, and the elevated airflow sensor I did show you guys in the unboxing. The airflow sensor does sit a bit higher than where the juice well does end. So even if your juice well does fill up with liquid, which I highly doubt because this thing does stay bone dry, like guys, no joke, this thing stays bone dry on the inside. I haven't had any condensation problems, no leakages whatsoever in the 2 weeks I've been using this device, and that was with both the 0.8 and the 1.2 ohm coils. But yeah, your S leak-proof technology is definitely at work on this device. But yeah, in terms of charging, I've got a couple of things I need to mention. Firstly, it does get hot when charging, like hotter than any other device I've felt or experienced while charging. I don't think it's anything to be concerned about, like it won't explode on you, but it does get quite hot on the charge. Now this could be because of the charging brick I was using. Maybe a slower charger would cause less heat, but that's still to be proven. And then another thing is the placement of the charging port is, for me, on the lower front of the device, it makes absolutely no sense, because if you plug your charge in, the device cannot stand up straight. It just falls over whatever way. So for me, it would have made much more sense if the charging port was on the bottom of the device. And even with the placement over here, when you, like, I game a lot, I want to mention that this device does have bypass charging, and that is something I look for in any pod system. But bypass or pass-through charging basically means is you can use the device safely while it's on charge. So I tend to find myself needing a charge a lot when I'm gaming or about to game. So I can just pop it on charge next to myself, and I can use it while it's on charge. Yeah. Yeah. While it's on charge. But anyways, I just fucked up. But it's alright. We fixed these things. So in closing on my thoughts about the Vaporesso Luxe Q, I do want to mention that this is not a big problem, it's not a big issue, it's not something you'll notice all day, or if any day, like day to day. That's not something you really notice. But the airflow sensor does require a bit more power, like to activate the airflow sensor when you do take a puff. So I doubt you'll notice it during the day. But when you do want to take a sneaky puff or a lighter track, let's call it what it is. You probably will notice that you do need to pull a bit louder. You do need to pull a bit harder to actually activate the airflow sensor to get your draw going. But it's not, like I said, it's not something you'd notice all day or any day. You'll just notice it when you do need to or want to take a lighter puff. But other than that, it's a great device. I love it. I've been enjoying it. In here I've got G-Bomb's Pink Pearl Ice 12mg MTL liquid, free base. If you guys don't know, I love G-Bomb's liquids. They always come up with so in the device I've got G-Bomb's Pink Pearl Ice 12mg MTL free base. You gotta go with the base, bro. The base. I do love G-Bomb's liquids. I've been a fan of the Pink Pearl Ice for years now, actually. I think that was since 2018, 2017, could it be? But yeah, I've been a big fan of the liquids, and just a shout out to G-Bomb for always creating fantastic e-liquids. Love your stuff, guys. This is not going on YouTube. This is just weird now. Yeah. Sharp. Hey, what's up, guys? Just a quick couple of things before end of the video. I do know I'm reviewing a Vaporesso device and I'm wearing a smock cap. Things just happen to turn out that way. I've got nothing against smock, neither do I have anything against Vaporesso. Things just happened this way. I actually realized this while I was filming the intro to this video. But another thing, the artist or the producer behind the sick backtrack in this video, I will link him down in the description. His name is Joseph Coeries, super talented young producer. I'll tag all his socials or link all his socials in the description as well. Go ahead and give him a follow. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Cheers.
Hey, what happened?
Yeah, just a couple of quick things. I do know that I'm reviewing a Vaporesso device and I'm wearing a smock cap, so just so you guys know, I am aware that I just happen to be wearing the smock cap. I've got nothing against smock or Vaporesso. I just happened to be like this. I actually realized this while filming this video. But just in the comments, or not in the comments, in the description, I am going to link the producer behind the sick backtrack in this video. Very talented young producer. His name is Joseph Coeries. I'll add his socials. Fuck, man. I do also need to add that it is the combination of the design of... Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Uncle's Vape Shop UT. Like, I keep messing up. This is not funny. It's not funny, man! Ah! Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Uncle's Vape Shop YouTube channel. I hate this shit, man. Oh. Hey, what's up? Tough. Okay, guys, just a couple of things before we end of the video. The backtrack to this track. I see your righty, my bro. I see your righty. Okay, so on a lot of lekker hier. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Uncle's Vape Shop YouTube channel, buddy. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Uncle's Vape Shop YouTube channel. This is gonna be our first. Hey, guys. So I do know that I'm reviewing a Vaporesso device and I'm wearing a smock cap. Things just happened to turn out this way. I was just some sha. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Uncle's Vape Shop YouTube channel. This is gonna be Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Uncle's Vape Shop YouTube channel. This is gonna be our very first video unboxing and review of the brand new Vaporesso Luxe Q. I almost said PM40. I've been saying that. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Uncle's Vape Shop YouTube channel. This is gonna be our very first video unboxing and review. We've got a brand new pod system that is the Vaporesso Luxe Q. I just held it fucking upside down. Fucking fantastic. Did that. Hey, look.